All right, guys, got Elijah here. We're out here. I'm gonna race his Max with my Xmaxx. How fast do you think this goes? 50 plus?
Oh, the Max?
Yeah.
Not with those tires on it.
What, it goes slower with these tires?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. You ready to race? My disc's clicking. Okay, come up a little bit. Ready? Get set. Go. You might have me the tiniest bit on the top end. All right, guys, gonna do another race with Elijah. Got the Xmaxx. I'm running the 18 tooth pinion and a 50 tooth spur gear, and that's stock gearing on that, right?
Yeah.
So whatever the stock gearing is, but you have erevo tires on it.
Yeah.
So that's gonna affect the gearing because they're bigger. But we're gonna do a race. Ready? Get set. Go. That's so close. That's extremely close. All right, guys, I'd say we'd call that a draw, actually, because they're pretty much the same. Like, we're basically neck and neck the whole way down. It's hard to tell. Maybe on the top end, he might have like literally like half a mile per hour on me, because it looks like it gains a little bit, but it's hard to tell. So anyway, guys, that's pretty darn quick, and that's on 4S, right?
Yeah.